Have you ever used a phone to save a contact, search for a song, or order food from an app? If yes, then guess what? You've already used a database, even if you didn't know it. Today, we're going to explore what a database is and how something called SQL helps us talk to it. Don't worry, we'll keep it super simple and fun. Let's begin with a real-life example. Imagine you are the class monitor and your teacher asks you to keep a record of every student's name, their roll number, their marks, and who brought lunch today. Now, where would you store all that? Maybe a notebook, right? You'd make a list, neat and organized, so you can find any student's information easily. That notebook is just like a database. So what is a database? In simple words, a database is a place where we store information in an organized way so that we can easily find, change, or remove it later. Instead of a paper notebook, computers use digital databases to store huge amounts of data, like phone numbers, pictures, videos, and even your passwords. Popular quote in tech is, "Data is the new oil." Clive Humby. And just like we need machines to drill oil, we need tools to search and use data. That's where SQL comes in. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Don't let the long name scare you. SQL is simply a language we use to talk to databases. Think of SQL as the magic words you say to your notebook when you want it to do something. Hey notebook, find me all students who scored above 90. Hey notebook, add a new student named Sarah. Hey notebook, delete Ali's record, he moved to another school. Hey notebook, change Ahmed's marks to 95. These magical commands are written using SQL, so SQL helps you add data, search data, change data, remove data, all with a few simple lines of text. Why is it important? Imagine if Google didn't have a database, you'd never be able to search for anything. If YouTube didn't have a database, it couldn't show you your watch history or favorite videos. Every time you log into Facebook, order food online, or book a flight, you're using a database. Databases in SQL are used in banks, hospitals, schools, online shopping games, and almost every app or website you know. So learning about databases is like learning how to organize the digital world. Fun fact, the most popular database systems in the world today are MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Oracle MongoDB, a bit different, but still a type of database. These tools use SQL or something like it to manage data. Why should you care? If you want to become a game developer, app designer, website builder, data scientist, or even a digital detective, you will need to understand how data is stored and how to use SQL to get answers fast. It's like learning to speak to computers in their favorite language. In our next videos, we'll show you how to actually write SQL commands, how to build your own database, and how apps use them behind the scenes. So if you want to understand the secret power behind every website and app you use, stick with us, because once you learn databases and SQL, you'll never look at apps the same way again. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.